Hello everybody, we're back, and this time we're on my phone. Welcome back. Welcome to the live, guys. We're on my phone right now. I don't know if this is better, but we're gonna have to deal with it for now. I don't know why TikTok is doing this to me. Welcome back. I haven't done phone live in so long. Phone live is crazy. Doing a phone live. Hello, Pingu. Okay, I'm not used to this anymore, guys. But when we started doing live, we just started on the phone. Yes, we are back. I'll see na overkill. Okay, we're back to phone lives for now because I don't know what's going on with freaking TikTok. Okay, there. Hi. Are we ready? Make sure to share the live, guys, so that people can come back. Wag ilipat. Okay, wait. Wait lang, guys. Is this recorded? Yes, it's still recorded, guys. I'll post it on YouTube still. Okay, there. Like this? Is that how we're gonna do it? Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the live. Yes, Rutherford, we're back. There, we're back. So, what are we gonna do? Oh, we're from here. Okay, so we're going back, and then we're trying to solve for x. We're looking for x here in this 30, 60, 90. Wow, may kamay. Hala. Hindi ako sanay. Kita yung kamay, not the hand. Exposure. Welcome back to the live. Hi, Gray. Love the new angle. Nico, we're making do with what we have. Cause why is TikTok lagging? They're so mean. Okay, so let's take this off na. Cancel. TikTok is so rude. Okay, let's go back. Here. Are we ready to start? Okay, so we're looking for x here sa 30, 60, 90 given yung 10 here. So given yung 10 pero wala pa tayong x and wala pa yung number over here. New setup. Do we like this better? But my hand is seen, so I don't know if I like this. Also, look, it's doing it again. This is what I see, guys. Do you see this over here? Do you see that up there? I don't know why it's doing that to me. Oh, whatever TikTok, they're so mean to me right now. Okay, so going back, we're gonna try to solve for x here, given 10 here. So what we're gonna do is note kung saan siya sa 30, 60, 90. So yung 10, is it under 30, 60, or 90? Is it under 30, 60, or 90? Yung 10. Thank you, Rutherford, for the gift. This is a Samsung tablet. Yes, it's under 90. So, kasi katapat niya ang 90 over here, nakatingin yung 90 sa 10, kaya under siya sa 90. So, let's put it under here, 10, kasi under siya sa 90. Guys, malabo ba yung screen? I feel like malabo siya. Pero, yes. Okay. So, under siya sa 90 here. Tapos, what we're looking for is, what are we looking for? Is this 60 or 30? Is this 60 or 30? Yung x ay under 60 or 30 ba? 60. Okay, good job, guys. It's under 60. So, we're gonna put that under x here. Pero, paano natin siya mahanap? From 2, paano siya magiging square root of 3? Medyo mahirap to jump that way, right? So, the easier way to do it, guys, is ang una natin gagawin, from 2, how do we get to square root of 3? Babalik muna tayo sa 1. So, yung 2, i-divide natin by 2. 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. So, hahanapin muna natin si 1. Tapos, i-multiply na lang natin by square root of 3. Okay? So, first thing you're gonna do, divide by 2. So, hanapin natin yan. It will give us 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So, nahanap na natin na 5 ito. Kasi 1 square root of 3, 2 siya. So, 5 yung number under 30. Tapos, ang gagawin mo lang dyan, pag nahanap mo na si 5, very basic, just multiply by square root of 3. So, what is 5 multiplied by square root of 3, guys? What did Ed say? I didn't see. Five square root of 3, yes. It's 5 square root of 3. So the answer is 5 square root of 3. So ganun lang siya guys, very basic. Do we want more? Let's see if there's another example. O parang wala na. But yes, I think we can find one later. Or do you want more examples? Do you want more examples? Is it possible na maging odd number yung hypotenuse? Yes, it's possible. So, pag odd number siya, for example, let's do 9 over here. So, kapag 9 yung hypotenuse, hahanapin natin si x. Ang mangyayari dyan is, i-divide pa rin natin siya by 2. So, magiging 9 ito. And then, ang 1 dito ay magiging 9 over 2. 9 over 2, tapos multiply mo lang siya by square root of 3. So, 9 square root of 3 over 2. Ganyan siya. 9 square root of 3 over 2. Swipe right. Okay, my tablet is a Samsung tablet. Di ba yan pwede maging decimal? Hindi siya pwede mag-decimal if may radical siya. Like, 4.5 square root of 3. I don't know if that's a proper. I think hindi yun tama. So, mas okay na gawing fraction na lang. Para hindi mo na din siya need i-divide in total. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Possible po kaya nasa taas yung 60? Like here? Hindi pwede maging 60 yan. Kasi ito yung 90. Nakatapat. Kung saan siya nakatapat, yun yung, yun yung angle, corresponding angle niya. This is grade 10, grade 9 or grade 10, around grade 9 or grade 10. So, from there, okay, so we know 45, 45, 90, and 30, 60, 90. Which Pythagorean triplets po ang important to memorize? These are Pythagorean, ito yung mga need mo i-memorize, yung 45, 45, 90, and 30, 60, 90. Tapos yung ibang basic, we taught it sa lesson kahapon. You can just check it out, yung Pythagorean triplets. Check out our last video. We don't have text here. But yes, you can check out the last video we did. I explained kung paano nakukuha yung 3, 4, 5, ganun. So, usually need nyo i-memorize yung 3, 4, 5, yung ganun. 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25. Paano po if 60 yung given? Okay, if 60 daw yung given, give me a number, guys. Give me a number that you want 60 to be given. Gusto daw 60 yung given. Let's do 6. 7? Okay, 6. I wanna do 6. Para perfect, perfect number. So, pag 6 ang given dito, guys, dito natin siya ilalagay. Alam natin na 6 yan. So, dito natin siya ilalagay. Anong hinahanap natin? Hanapin na lang natin both. Let's find x and y. So, how are we gonna look for that? Paano, coming from square root of 3, what are you gonna do to go back to 1? I-divide lang natin siya by square root of 3, diba? Paano magiging 1 ang square root of 3? I-divide lang natin siya by square root of 3. So, what we're gonna do is 6 divided by square root of 3. And then, again, if you remember, kapag may radical sa ilalim, bawal kasi yan. Bawal magka-radical sa ilalim, guys. So, ang gagawin natin ay, i-multiply natin by square root of 3 over square root of 3. Hala, ang galing, guys. Walang delay. Amazing. Kasi it's my actual hand. Anyway, so what you're gonna do, multiply yung taas, that will give you 6 square root of 3, and then multiply yung baba. Square root of 3 times square root of 3, what will the answer be under? Square root of 3 times square root of 3. What will that give you? Why po kay square root of 3 dinivide and not kay 2? Kasi ang given ay square root of 3. Ang tanong niya, paano daw pag 60 ang given? So, ang 60 dito ay 6. It falls under 60. So, dito siya nakalagay, hindi dito. Okay? Kaya, i-divide mo siya. Ito ang given natin, where nakatapat here. So, kung saan siya nakatapat, doon mo hahanapin yung 1. So, pag dito siya nakatapat, doon mo siya i-divide by 2. Pag dito siya nakatapat, doon mo i-divide by square root of 3. Okay? If you have questions, guys, just ask. And then, this will give you square root of 3 times square root of 3 will give you 3. And then, that will give you, divide mo lang to, and then that will be 2 square root of 3. So, ang sagot dito sa x ay 2 square root of 3. 2 square root of 3. Ngayon naman, guys, what is y over here? Wow, Nico! Si Nico sumasagot. What is the answer here, guys? 4? Is it 4? 4 square root of 3, yes. 4 square root of 3. Bakit siya? What's vector? You mean physics? 4 square root of 3. Bakit siya 4 square root of 3? Kasi, titignan nyo again, guys. Titignan nyo kung saan siya nakatapat. Ang 1 dito, ang position niya ay 1. 2 square root of 3 is equal to 1. Paano tayo mapupunta sa 2? Lagi mong isipin, paano tayo makarating dito? From here. So, 1 to 2, nag-multiply siya by 2, times 2. So, itong 2 dito, ito times 2 din natin siya. So, 2 square root of 3 times 2 will give you 4 square root of 2. 4 square root of 3. Sorry, 4 square root of 3. Physics maybe soon, but not today. We're doing math. We're doing geom today, guys. So, yes, did we understand that? Okay. We started 8 a.m. Hala, 1 hour na tayo nag-live, guys. Paano po if even yung Pythagorean? Usually, check for the lowest term. Pwede din siya maging odd usually. Okay. 45, 45, 90. With, again, okay. Do you have an example, specific example you want to ask about the 45, 45, 90? This is Pythagorean triplets in triangles. So, yes. The PDF, may kita yan sa Instagram, guys. So, go to my Instagram, and then you'll see it there. Instagram, check review highlights. Tapos, yes, check review highlights. Nico, are you still on break? Yes, guys, nahanap ko na medal ko. Where is it? Hala, nawawala na naman. Hala, guys. Oh, ano ito? Sorry. Ha, 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 ha. Look, so beautiful. Hala, mag-focus ka. Yes. For sale. Eme. Hala, ayaw. Oh, yes. Anyway. Until what time? Usually until 10 or 9:30. So, usually 1 hour and 30 minutes is what we do. Okay, are we going back here? Do you want to go back to 45, 45, 90? Or should we move on to the next question, guys? We can move on to the next question if you want. I'm gonna put up a poll. Okay, where's the poll here? Poll. Okay, happy face for if you want next question, which is number 10. Number 10, or go back to 45, 45, 90, and 30, 60, 90. Happy face, move on. Sad face, I'm still at the restaurant. Eme. Happy face, move on. Sad face, going back to the corner where I first saw you. Hala, okay. Ready na sila mag-move on, guys. So, we're moving on, I think. Okay, only 12 people want to stay. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We're gonna be going live. I'll try every day, but, you know, I'll let you know if hindi din siya matutuloy. But we're trying to do it every day. Hala, bakit naka-share pa rin siya sa... Stop. Okay. TikTok is so weird, guys. There. When do we know if we're going to use yung mga 30, 60, 90? Oh, we know to use it kapag given yung mismong angle. Okay, usually given yung angle. Hindi mo mahanap. I would show you, but I don't have Instagram on the tablet. It's on my Instagram, tapos nasa highlights siya. Okay, we're moving on to number 10. Paano po if odd yung 90 degrees? Kakagawa lang natin ng odd. Yung 60? Ganun pa rin siya. Okay lang. Magiging, for example, okay, last na guys. If odd yung, wait, ano sked? Usually 8 to 10, gagamboy. Usually 8 to 10 p.m. every day. Tapos, you can join my TikTok bulletin. I'll show you the TikTok bulletin, guys. So, you go here on TikTok, and then, this is TikTok. This is TikTok, and then go here to the profile, to my profile. Tapos, you can click, hala ka. You can click this one over here. UPCAT review updates. And then, I announce on here kung kailan my live. So, yan. We go live on 8 p.m. We go live there. So, I announce it all the time. Just go to this, go to this UPCAT review updates. Yes. So, just check that out. It's over here ata. I'm not sure if dyan nyo siya makikita, but for me, dyan siya lumalabas. Just follow me and I think it will invite you sa live. That's what I know. Paano if hindi given yung angles? Usually, isang angle ang given dyan, guys. So, when you look at questions like this, usually, 30. Kunyari, given ang 30 dito. Given si 30, hindi mo alam na 60 to. Pero, alam mo na 180 yung total. So, kung 90 ito, tapos 30 ito, for sure, 60 na agad to. And then, pwede nyo na gamitin yung 30, 60, 90. Okay. Let's put it back. I want the black. Ayan. So, for example, hindi din siya given dito. Nasa na yan? Yung example kahapon, when they say, what is the diagonal of a square with side 4 cm? Hindi given na 45, 45, 90 yan. Pero, alam natin na pag nagkaroon ng diagonal dito, mahati yung 90 degrees. 90 degrees kasi yung square, diba? Yung corner ng square. So, pag nagkaroon ng diagonal dyan, magiging kalahati na lang to. Kaya siya naging 45, 45, 90. So, usually, hindi siya given actually. Pero, like, you're gonna be able to notice it when you do that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's move on to number 10, everybody. Let's move on to number 10. There. Number 10. The side of a right triangle are x plus 17, and x plus 18 units long. What is the length of the hypotenuse? Okay, so just this is very easy, guys. If you remember the Pythagorean triplet, kita nyo ba? Or natatakpan ng chat? Ayan. So, if you remember the Pythagorean triplet, we know that 7, 24, and 25 is a Pythagorean triplet. And just based on the choices, yun yung lumalabas. 7, 24, and 25. So, ang tanong lang dyan, alam natin na Pythagorean triplet yan. Saan po gagamitin? Chloe, dito na siya magagamit. Like this one. You remember 5, 12, 13? This is one of the Pythagorean triplets, as I mentioned. So, if we go back to this, nasa na yan? Dito ba yan? Yes. So, how do you know if something is a Pythagorean triplet? For odd numbers, like 3, 4, 5, ayan. Ang gagawin mo, I get the first number 3, which is an odd number, and then square mo siya. That will give you 9, and then divide that by 2. So, yung divide that by 2 is closest whole numbers is 4 and 5, right? Kaya 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Now, looking at 7, when we look at 7, when you square that, it will give you 49. Pag dinivide mo yung 49, yung closest whole number dyan ay 24 and 25. So, magagamit na siya yung mga question na yan sa mga word problem like this one. So, we know 7, 24, 25. Ang tanong is, what is the length of the hypotenuse? So, alin dyan yung hypotenuse dito, guys? Which one here is the hypotenuse? Sa 7, 24, and 25. I'm gonna drink water. Yes, Mang Ruben. It's 25. Because the longest side is always the hypotenuse. So, kita pa lang sa choices dito, guys, na just get the biggest number or basically C for Christ. So, the answer is letter C. So, dyan na pumapasok yung knowledge or you need to know about the Pythagorean triplets. So, does that answer your question? Saan ang galing yung 7, 24, 25? Given first of all, kita pa lang natin sa choices. So, pagdating sa UPCAT, kailangan mo magmadali. Wag na natin isolve for x, right? So, when you see the choices, alam natin na yan yung mga possible na numbers. Tapos, alam kasi natin, based sa lesson kahapon, dapat aware ka sa mga Pythagorean triplets. Ang mga Pythagorean triplets, yung mga whole number na triplets na pasok siya sa Pythagorean theory. Okay? So, for example, dyan ay 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 13, 7, 24, 25. You can watch how we got. Pero can you try solving? Okay. They wanna solve, we can solve, guys. If you wanna solve it, we can solve. They wanna solve for x. Okay. You wanna solve for x. We can solve for x if that's gonna help you sleep at night. Here's the whole question. The right side of a triangle are x plus 17, and okay, erase ko na to, guys, and x plus 18 units long. So again, what we know, we're gonna solve for it now. Are you ready? What is the length of the hypotenuse? Thank you for sharing the live. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Tapos, ang gagawin natin dyan is isa-solve natin. So, this is A. this is the side B, and this is the side C. Kasi hypotenuse yan. And we know na A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan is, isa-solve lang natin. A squared ay X. So, X squared yan. Plus, X plus 17 squared is equal to X plus 18 squared. So, matagal yan, guys. Sobrang haba ng gagawin mo dyan. Isosolve mo pa yan. This will give you X squared plus 34X plus, what's 17 squared, guys? Is it 256, 269? No, it's not. I think it's I don't want to solve it right now. What's 17 squared? Di po pwede add na lang lahat tapos equate sa 180. Hindi siya guys. We're looking at the sides, not the angles, okay? So, side of the triangle ang tinitignan, hindi angles. 289. Okay, I was close. I said 269. Plus 289. Tapos, on this side, ibaba natin si x squared dito. So, 2x squared na siya, guys. 2x squared dito. Tapos, on this side, this will be x squared plus 36x plus, FOIL method lang to, guys, or like multiplying. I think this is 324. Is that correct? What's 18 squared? Nanguhula. Yes, I got it right. Thank you, everybody. 324 daw. Tapos, ang next natin gagawin, i-move natin lahat on this side. Or gusto nyo this side? Ano, dito na lang. So, dito, move it to this side. Ang x squared na yan will minus dito sa x squared. So, that will give you x squared na lang. Maka-cancel out yung isang x squared. Tapos, 36 minus 34, magiging negative 2x. Tapos, 324 minus 289. What's the answer? 289. Ano ba yan? I-minus na nga natin. This will give you 14. This will give you 11. So, that's 35. 35. Ayan, tama. 35. Ang galing nyo, guys. Minus 35 is equal to 0. Tapos, dito na papasok yung factoring skills natin. So, you get this like this, create the bubbles, remember, and then draw an X on each side. Now, what are the factors of 35 na pag pinagsama or pag inad, pwede siya maging equal to negative 2? Bakit may minus? Kasi tinranspose natin, guys. Every time, kunyari, when you're moving this x squared, ililipat mo sa kabilang side. Pag dumaan siya sa equal sign, mababago yung sign niya. Okay? So, itong x squared, para malipat sa kabila, need siya i-minus x squared. So, ang 2x squared minus x squared is equal to just 1x squared. Katulad din dito sa 36, nilipat natin siya dito, magiging minus 36x. So, dahil may 34 dito, 34 minus 36x will give you minus 2x. Okay? So, that's called transposing. So, yes, it's negative 7 and 5. So, negative 7 and 5. So, how do we get this again? Ang ginawa natin, you have to think of factors of 35. So, that's 7 and 5. Para maging negative, dapat isa dito ay negative. So, pwedeng negative 7 or pwedeng negative 5. Tapos, mag-iisip ka, alin sa negative 7 and 5 or negative 5 and 7, pag inad mo silang dalawa, dapat equal sa negative 2. So, ang sagot dyan ay dito. Kasi if ito, magiging positive 2 dapat. Dapat plus yan. Pero dahil negative siya, dapat mas malaking number yung negative. Thank you for the gift, John Dito Ann. So, the answer is negative 7 and 5. Now, how do we get x from there? Equate mo lang siya into 0, so that's x is equal to 7, and x is equal to negative 5. Now, you may ask, bakit 7 lang yung x? Diba dito, nakuha na natin yung x. So, pinahaba lang natin yung solution niya. Kasi gusto nyo hanapin, gusto nyo pahirapan sarili nyo eh. Ganyan kayo eh, kaya hindi pa rin kayo umalis sa toxic relationship. Bakit hindi pwede ang negative? Yes, you may go out, Taro Sakamoto. 1 by 1 only class. You can only leave the classroom once. Nico, hala! I didn't mean. Joke lang. Bakit? Yes, good job somebody. Bawal ang negative 5 kasi measurement siya, guys. So, pag tinignan nyo yung triangle, pwede ba ang negative value dito? Hindi siya pwede. Like, impossible siya. Kaya positive 7 lang ang pwede. Paulit sa distribution part. What part are we on? What's the distribution part? this part, the multiplying squared. Which part do you want to ulit? Pwede po bumili ng turon. Naalala ko na yung high school. No, you cannot buy. Pero pwede ka magpaalam mag-CR, tapos punta ka na lang sa canteen. Tapos pagbalik mo, may turn ka na. The short method, guys, is to remember. So, this is the long method because you guys want to make life harder. But the shorter method always is to remember the Pythagorean triples. So, looking pa lang dito sa choices, alam na natin na 7, 24, 25, or 11 yung possible numbers sa Pythagorean triplets. And if you know, if familiar kayo sa Pythagorean triplets, dito, you know 7, 24, 25 is a Pythagorean triplet. Same lang siya sa 3, 4, 5. So, when you look at 3, 4, 5, any angle na may, pag 3, 4, 5 yung measurement ng right triangle, alam mo ng right triangle siya and Pythagorean siya. So, same lang din sa 7, 24, 25. And how will you know about that? You can go back. You can go back dito sa tinuro ko last time. Okay? So, ang ginawa lang natin, for odd Pythagorean triplets, you can make any odd number a Pythagorean triplet. Okay? So, all you have to do to make a number a Pythagorean triplet, for example, 7, i-check lang natin. Ang gagawin mo, is square mo ang 7, and then from 7 squared, which is 49, you have to get 24. You have to divide it by 2. So, 24.5 yung divide by 2 niya. Tapos, get the whole numbers closest to it, which is 24 and 25. Kaya 7, 24, 25 ay isang Pythagorean triplet. Same lang sa 3, 4, 5, guys. Paano yung 3, 4, 5? 3 squared is equal to 9. Pag dinivide mo yan by 2, 4.5 siya. So, that's 4 and 5. Kaya 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay? Hello to the 1K people. Welcome back to the live. If you're new here, make sure to follow. When po malalaman if magagamit ang Pythagorean triplet? Usually, kapag may right triangle sa question. So, pag sinabing, the side of a right triangle, ganyan. So, pag may right triangle, matik usually na Pythagorean triplet ang hinahanap. Okay? And then, same lang dito. You're welcome, Nicole. I'm here to help you guys pass the UPCAT. So, if you're new here, I've been doing it for 3 years now. And yes, I feel like a lot of people have been able to pass. If you see Nico here, guys, he was there in the first batch. The batch 1. Thank you, Luxie, for the gift. Pet peeve ko, math. It's okay, guys. We're here to learn to like math. Okay, let's move on to the next number, guys. Can we get to 20k likes while I drink water? Where is my eye drops? I'm gonna drink a bit of water while we get to 20k likes. Ngayon, nasa UP na si Nico, guys. Dati nagre-review lang siya with us. Kaya pa yan, guys. Kahit hindi pa kayo nag-aaral, you have 38 days. I'm gonna try to go live every day. I'm not sure if we're gonna able to do it every day, but we're gonna try, and then we're gonna try to help you guys get there. Okay? Yes, manifesting UPCAT and Araneo. Nananakot si Nico. Bakit po C and not B? Bakit C? Kasi ang hinahanap ay, what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the longest side, so hindi hinahanap si X. Hinahanap si hypotenuse, okay? Hypotenuse is the biggest side, kaya letter C. Pero yung 7, yun yung X, okay? The lives are every day 8 p.m. Pero if you want, you can check out my TikTok bulletin. TikTok bulletin is over here. Just go to my profile. And then, I update, guys, here kung kailan magla-live. So, I update sa TikTok bulletin or Instagram, ano tawag doon? Ano tawag sa Instagram? Instagram channel. So, check nyo yun, guys. Follow nyo ako sa Instagram if hindi kayo ma-TikTok bulletin. Okay, next question. Can you teach how to use general formula for arithmetic? I've done that. You can check previous lives if you want. We've done arithmetic sequence there. But today, we're doing geometry para, yes. Okay, next question, guys. One leg of a right triangle is 4 inches longer than the other leg. The hypotenuse is 20 inches long. How long is the short leg? So, ang gagawin natin dyan ay i-drawing muna natin. So, let's draw it here. So, sabi, given na agad yung hypotenuse, guys. So, knowing na 20 to, kahit actually hindi na natin alam. Joke lang, sige. X daw yung one side and x plus 4 yung other side. Kasi 1 one leg is longer, 4 inches longer than the other leg. Thank you for following. Just make sure to follow guys if you're new here. Pwede ba muna mag-ML para start ng brain? Go lang. Balik ka mamaya. Or if you want to watch the recording, just come back. Watch the recording on YouTube. Yes, August 2 ang UPCAT guys. 38 days away. So, okay. So, where does my brain go from here? I know kasi, feel ko, ako if I'm, so in the UPCAT, you have 1 minute and 15 seconds to answer each question. So, how does my brain work when I see a question like this? So, I know this is a 20. So, I know that's divisible by 5. And alam natin yung 3, 4, 5 is a ratio. So, hanapin ko lang yung 3 and 4 dito, which is basically 12 and 16. And i-verify ko if this is 4 in between them. And yes, it is 4 inches longer than the other one. So, the shortest leg is 12. So, that's how fast your brain should think. But yes, I'm gonna go slowly again. So, dito guys, nagagamit yung Pythagorean triplets. It's okay. I was just explaining how it works if you try to do it fastly, okay? So, if you don't get that, we're gonna do it slowly. So, basta, that's how fast you should be able to think. When, yes. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Paano siya naging 12 and 6? Okay, wait. We'll do it again. I just showed, like, for example, pag nasa UPCAT na kayo, ganun dapat kabilis. Okay. So, paano siya? Yes, 12, 16, 20 is a Pythagorean triplet. So, okay. So, remember, do we know, so alam naman natin, di ba, na 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. 3, 4, 5. Pythagorean triplet, yes or no? Yes or no? So, Pythagorean triplet yan, one of the most basic Pythagorean triplets. Thank you, Mang Ruben, for answering yes. Tapos, any multiple of this is a Pythagorean triplet. Any multiple. So, when I say 6, 8, 10, is that a Pythagorean triplet? How to know if August 2 or 3 yung sked? They're gonna give you a permit, pero right now, wala pa. Yes, it is a Pythagorean triple. What about 21, 28, 32? Is this a Pythagorean triple or no? Is this a Pythagorean triple or no? Yes, good job. Nico, I like that you're answering. No, it's not. Bakit? So, titignan mo. Kasi, usually, I would say, 21, 28. So, pwede yan 3 and 4. Pag dinivide mo yan by 7, this is 3. Pag dinivide mo by 7, 24. Pero ito, hindi siya divisible by 7. So, hindi siya 5. Dapat, 35 yan. Kung 35 yan, pasok yan as a Pythagorean triplet. So, from here, you already graduated UP. That's so slay of you. Welcome back to the live. Come take the UPCAT again. But yes, so from here, what I do is, alam kasi natin na 20 daw ang hypotenuse. So titignan ko na agad yung mga possible Pythagorean triplets na pwedeng factor niya ay 20. So alam natin ay 20 ay divisible by 5. So from here, 3, 4, 5 lang po babasehan. Kailangan mo ng stock knowledge, guys, on all the Pythagorean triplets that you can think of. Pwede din yung, like, anything. So like, if you don't know that, we can solve it the long way. I'll show you guys the long way. But for now, I'm showing the short way. Okay. So, the short way is, alam ko kasi yung 3, 4, 5 na Pythagorean triplet yan. So, ngayon, na alam ko na 20 ito, hanapin naman natin yung 3 and 4. Yes, Andy, I'll try to go back next year. Just make sure to follow. If you guys are new here and you aren't taking the UPCAT yet, come back next year. Just make sure to follow for now, and then you can like comment if you want me back by next year. So, from here guys, alam natin, paano naging 20 ang 5? You multiply by 4. So, i-multiply din natin by 4. Ito, 3 times 4 is 12. And 4 times 4 is 16. So, i-check na ngayon natin. One leg is 4 inches longer than the other leg. So, ito yung legs, guys. Ito yung legs. Ito yung hypotenuse. So, pag legs, yun yung two short sides always. Thank you for following, Jerson. Okay. So, 12 and 16. Are they 4 inches apart? 4 inches longer? Yes, correct. So, also, kita nyo naman dito sa choices, diba? May 12 and 16 dyan. So, lagi nyo titignan yung choices. Baka may possible ratio na hindi nyo pa nakikita, diba? So, laging titignan yung choices kasi may clue na dyan sa sagot. So, ayan. Pagkita ko na yung 12 and 16, alam ko na 3, 4, 5 yung ratio na yan. Yes, so the shortest side, based on 12, 16, 20, ang shortest leg ay 12. So the answer is letter D. So it's not letter C for today's video. How did you get x plus 4? Ito sabi niya, 4 inches longer than the other leg. So, kung ito yung isang leg, ito yung isa. Actually, hindi pa natin siya nagagamit. So, I'll teach you guys how to do that. Okay? I'll teach you right now how to do that. Let's solve it the long way. If you wanna solve it the long way, we can do that. Paano ba yun? Okay, solve natin the long way, katulad dito. Katulad nung ginawa natin dito, gusto nyo pahirapan sarili nyo eh. So, okay, let's solve it over here. Long way. Ito yung fast way kanina. So, yung long way, ang gagawin dyan is x. So, A to, this is A, this is B, and this is, ay, sorry, mali. This is A, this is B, this is C. Congrats, Nix! Welcome back, and, well, welcome to UP. UP, kailan ba start ng, ng SEM nila? See guys, the alumni are coming back. The Review Center alumni. So this is A, this is B, this is C. Remember, A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So, yun lang lalagay natin dito. A squared plus x plus 4 squared, which is B squared, is equal to 20 squared. So, isolve lang natin. This x squared plus x squared, square nyo to, plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 400, which is 20 squared. Now, what do you do next? So, ipagsama natin tong dalawang x squared, that will give you 2x squared plus 8x. Tapos, itong 400, i-transpose natin sa kabilang side, that will give you, what's 16 minus 400? That's 384, right? 384. Tapos, dahil lahat sila ay divisible sa 2, i-divide natin by 2. So, magiging x squared plus 4x plus 196. Okay? So, we're doing the long way. You don't have to do this at all. If alam mo na yung Pythagorean triplets, basic, masasagot mo siya in less than 1 minute. Okay? Ay, nasa na ba yan? Dito pala yan. Pero, if hindi mo siya alam, you can just solve it the long way. Thank you, Nicole and Julia Bruce and their trust. Now, guys, ano yung factor nito? Ano yung factor nito? What will we get? X, get the bubbles, and then, what are factors of 196? I know that this is 16 times, ano ba yan? 16 times 11? What? No. 16 times what? 192. Sorry, yes. 192. 16 times 32. 12. Right? 16 times 12. Tapos, alin yung possible dyan? Ay, negative pala. Negative yan, guys. Negative. Good job. Negative. Thank you. Tinetest ko lang ang listening skills nyo. Okay, let's answer, guys. Wait lang, I need eye drops. Where's my eye drops? Inasar lang. Where's my eye drops? Okay, later na. Why did we divide it? Kasi divisible by 2 yung 2, 8, and 34. Para mapadali, you can divide it. Kasi pag dinivide mo din to by 2, magiging 0 pa rin siya. So, pwede siya ma-divide by 2. I-divide mo to by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Okay? Okay. This subject is geometry. We're doing math for the UPCAT. So, if you're new here and you want to pass for the UPCAT, we teach math here for the UPCAT. Yes. So, is it 16 and 12? Alin yung negative dito? Dahil negative to, kailangan isa dito ay negative. Okay? I wasn't common, guys, but I wanted to be. Like, growing up, inggit ako sa mga nag-common, but we never did common. So, yes, negative ang 12 kasi positive ang 4. So, 16 plus negative 12 is equal to 4. Kaya, dapat 16 ito and 12 ito. So, this is positive 16, negative 12. Tapos, from there, remember, you have to equate it to 0. So, this becomes negative 16 and this becomes positive 12. Now, alin dito ang kukunin natin, guys? Why did it become 192? We divided it into 2, guys. Divide mo lang siya by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. 0. Divide by 2 both sides. So, pag divide by 2 both sides, magiging x squared, magiging 4, magiging 192. Yes, it's necessary para, yes, it is actually. So, simplify, yes. Sinesimplify mo siya. Kasi when you divide by 2 this side, 0 divided by 2 is still equal to 0. Kaya, when you factor polynomials, pwede mo lang siya i-divide by 2. Yes. If hindi mo siya i-divide by 2, ang mangyayari dyan is magiging 2x yung isa dito. Hahaba yung sagot nyo, guys. Mahirapan kayo mag-factor out. Kaya, there's no sense not dividing it. Okay? So, just make sure to divide it first. What's your tab? It's a Samsung tablet, S9. I'm a Samsung user, guys. Samsung on top. Okay. So, where are we? So, X12 ang gagamitin. Nag-subtract lang ba ng 4 sa 20 para maging 16? No, that's not what we did. So, we have 12 here. So, 12 ang X. So, alam na natin na 12 ang X. So, if 12 ang X dito, mag-add lang kayo ng 4 dito. So, 16 to. 20, given ang 20, guys. Kaya, ayan. So, 12 ang sagot when you get X. Gives for a while. What's the question? Paano ba yung positive at negative? Which one ang hindi mo gets? Paano po nagka-8x? Hala kayo, guys. Guys, imumultiply nyo, ay, isa-square nyo lang to. How do you square this? Do you know how to square? Guys, char. So, square x squared, this is square. Square mo lang yung a squared plus 2ab. 2ab is 4 times 2 times x, kaya 8x. Tapos, 4 squared is 16. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. You have to know how to square. Okay. What's the next question? Yes. So, do we get that, guys? Oh, this is hurting my eyes. Let's close that for now. Ba't parang ang labo? Kita nyo ba yung screen? Okay. Are we done? For today? Eme. Yes. Paano ba nahanap si 12 and 16 sa fast way? Okay, so as you can see here, going back to the fast way, you don't need to know the long way again. So, going back to the fast way, yes, tapos na ako mag-aral. Share ko lang. Look at my medal. Wait, people need to see. I worked so hard on this. Yes. Look at it. Ala, ayaw niyo mag-focus. Forever, I'm gonna flex this until I get sick of it. So, there. Anyway. Going back. Yes, I saw it in my brother's room. I'm not sure if he took it or if naiwan ko dun. Pero wala siya sa room ko the entire day last night. So, paano ulit? Going back, if hindi mo alam kung paano gawin the shortcut, ang gagawin nyo una, guys, titignan nyo yung choices. So, looking at these choices, ano yung possible na makikita nyo dyan? And what I can see is dahil given na hypotenuse is 20, for sure, may ratio yan. May ratio yan na Pythagorean triplet. I'm not sure if it's real gold. How am I supposed to know? But I'm pretty sure it's not. Kasi why would they give real gold? Sobrang mahal siguro nun if real gold. Kasi mabigat siya. But yes. Buy it? I don't wanna chip it. Balik. Okay. Bilisan mo maligo. Balik ka agad. Okay. Where are we? Is it focused, guys? Or not? Ayan. So, what I know is 3, 4, 5. Dapat alam mo yung mga possible Pythagorean triplets. So, I know 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Tapos, from there, we know na 20 is the hypotenuse. So, titignan natin dito, ang 20 is equal to 5. Yung ratio niya, yan yung magkatapat sa ratio. So, hanapin lang natin kung alin yung possible na 3 and 4. So, you have to multiply 5 times 4. I-multiply mo din by 4 itong dalawa. So, hinahanap natin is the smallest, kaya 12 yung sagot. And as you can see, may 12 and 16 dyan. So, doon natin malalaman. Ano daw feeling maging iska? Nico, you can answer that. Guys, my voice, Wow, thank you, Dos. Welcome back to the live. I just graduated. Paano po nakuha yung multiply by 4? Okay, guys. So, we know 3, 4, 5, right? 3, 4, 5 exists in our knowledge. Tapos, 20 exists in our knowledge. So, 20 exists kasi given yan. Given si 20. So, paano? Alam natin hypotenuse to. Alam natin hypotenuse to. So, wala pa to. Hindi natin alam yan. How do we get na 20 siya? All you have to think is, paano naging 20 ang 5? Paano naging 20 ang 5? E di, i-multiply mo lang siya by 4. 5 times 4 is 20. So, yun din. Pag minultiply mo yan by 4, yun din ang gagawin mo dito. Multiply by 4. So, ganun. Yes. Okay. Next question. Next question. Are we ready to go to the next question? Hala. Search na natin to. This next question is one of the most annoying questions because I keep forgetting the formula. Okay, next question. So, ang bilang ng diagonal ng isang hexagon ay, wait lang, solve nga natin. May formula to guys, so hindi nyo yan mabibilang unless gusto nyo bilangin. So, for example, sa isang square, ang bilang ng diagonal niya ay kung ilan ang magagawa nyong connecting ng ganyan. So, sa square, dalawa siya. 2 sa square. Now, let's try for pentagon. Pentagon. What gatekeeping? Oh, pentagon. Let's try to make diagonals. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yung sa pentagon. Tama ba? Yes, 5. So, pentagon, 5. So, next, hexagon daw. Hello, Andre. Welcome to the live. Thank you for following. If you're new here, we go live every day. I try to go live every day. So, yung UPCAT is in 38 days. So, that means you have to start studying soon. So, if hindi nyo alam yung formula, pwede kayo mag-drawing ng ganyan. I feel like ito ginawa ng iba. So, ayan. This is a hexagon. We know a hexagon is 6. So, let's draw how many ang possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ay, mali. 7, 8, 8 lang. Tama ba? Nagawa na natin lahat. 8. So, 8 ang sagot. Hala, ang galing. Hindi na kailangan ng formula. 8 ang sagot. Pero, ang formula nito ay 4 minus 2. Anong formula niya? I think 4. May formula siya, guys. 9 daw. Hala, may kulang ba tayo? Ano yung hindi natin na-connect? Ay, ito. Hindi natin na-connect to. 9 daw. Oh, hindi kayo, like, test lang yun, guys. 9 daw ang sagot. B. Hahaha. Hahaha. Wait lang. So, search natin. Diagonal formula. Diagonal formula. The formula is polygon. N times n minus 3. Ang haba naman ng n minus 3 over 2. So, n is the number of sides. So, for example, hello Trisha, welcome to the live if you're a new follower. Yes. So, we teach math here for the UPCAT if you're taking it in August. Thank you for following. So, ito ang formula, guys. So, pag sinabing hexagon ay 6 sides. So, ipapasok lang natin siya dito sa n. 6 times 6 minus 3 over 2. So, that's 6 times 3. 6 times 3, since 6 minus 3 is 3, over 2. So, that's 18 over 3 is 9. Okay? Kaya 9 ang sagot. If hindi nyo alam ang formula, medyo mahirap kasi siya i-memorize. Ako lagi ko ito nakakalimutan. Like, sobrang irrelevant kasi niyan. Like, pagdating sa UPCAT, may isang question lang na yan. Kasi sobrang useless ng formula na to. There's no other way to do it. Like, eto lang, dito mo lang siya magagamit para malaman yung diagonals. So, unless the question is like, ilang diagonal ang sa 21-sided polygon. Doon, syempre, kailangan mo na yung formula. Pero, if hindi nyo alam, okay lang skip ang tanong na yan. Because, that's such a, sayang ang brain storage para i-memorize ang formula na yan. Wow! I remember watching you and I was about to take the UPCAT. Thank you. What emoji is that? Oh, it's a duck. Thank you for duck emoji person. So, yung formula, guys, this is the formula. n minus 3 over 2. Okay? So, this is the formula. Pag tinanong how many diagonals are in a 21-sided polygon, if they say 21-sided polygon, ipapasok niya lang ang 21 dito. 21 times 21 minus 3 over 2. Kapag 6-sided, since hexagon siya, we just do 6 minus 3 over 2. Fixed ang 3 na to. Fixed ang 3 and 2 dito. Kaya ba mag-pass sa UPCAT if self-review? Yes, guys. If you see Nico here, self-review lang yan, guys. Si Nico. And then he passed the school he wanted to pass, I think. So, yes. There's so many people, hindi kailangan ng review center. Guys, you know propaganda I won't fall for? It's review centers. Like, they're just taking your money. If wala ka lang confidence sa sarili mo, or wala kang self-discipline, that's when you need review centers. But honestly, you don't have to put out that much money for it. Kaya mag-pass if 1 month review? Kaya yan, guys. Yung kapatid ko, guys, one week lang siya nag-aral. He passed UP Baguio. UP Baguio yung second choice campus niya. So, he studied for like 5 days lang. Tapos naka-ano pa rin siya. Okay. Solve 13. Are we ready? Okay. So, M4 is equal to 47. And M5 is equal to x plus 1, 110. Find the value of x. So, nandito na naman tayo. I don't know what this is called. Let's call it, it looks like a bow to me. Whatever. So, again, when you know about this, guys, all you have to know in this line, this will always pop up, is that this is equal. Equal ang magkatapat, or opposite sides. And then, equal din ang gantong dalawa. So, lahat ng orange, equal sila. What else is equal? Equal din yan dito. So, itong dalawa, equal din siya dito sa dalawang to. How do you make sure na equal sila? I'll show you. You can do this. Draw this line, right? We're drawing this here. And then, as you can see, if we drag this line over here, equal din yan dito. Bakit siya equal? They're called corresponding angles, I think. So, as you can see, equal yan. Okay? Kahit baligtarin mo yan. Let's see. Baligtarin natin siya. Wow, visual learning. Equal din siya dito. Amazing. You see that? Equal din yan dyan. Okay? So, those 4 are equal. Tapos, alam din natin na equal ito dito. Wait, let's do it. So, itong green, lahat ng green equal sila. Itong green equal din sila dyan. Okay? This is a Samsung tablet, guys. Tapos, parallelogram. Is that a parallelogram? Not sure. And then, the next thing you need to know is kapag every time there's a straight line. So, this is a straight line, right? Yung 1 and 2, ang angle nilang dalawa is equal to 180. Excuse me, I burped. So, 180 ang equal dito. And then, same lang dito sa diagonal. 1 and 4 is equal to 180. Equal yan sa 180. So, lahat ng angle na straight, 180 ang total niyan. DOST, I passed the DOST application, guys. Pero hindi ko siya na-take kasi yung course ko sa Ateneo was not pasok sa DOST. Pero if nag-UP ako, for sure, I would take the DOST scholarship. Natakot kasi ako mag-return of service. Hindi naman pala kailangan na mag-tour talaga sa government employee. Kala ko kailangan mag-tour as a government employee, so hindi ko din tinik. Hindi pala siya kailangan. But yes, kapag tapos ng admission ng UP, pwede po next service PhilSCA. Oh, that's a good question. I'm not sure kung ano yung test sa PhilSCA, but I'll look that up because that's interesting. So, going back, the question is, if M4, so, ang gagawin natin, itatapat lang natin siya. So, yung angle 4 daw dito, measure niya ay 47. So, lagay natin dito, 47. And then, ang M5 ay x plus 1, 110. Asan yung M5? Nandito siya. X plus 1, 110. And then, another thing you need to know, pag magkatapat silang ganito, pag magkatapat yan, equal din yan sa 180. Okay? 180. Equal sila to 180. Your brain is not braining? It's okay. We can go slowly. Hala, nasa na yung face ko? Okay, let's go back to my face. There's my face. Okay. So, ready? Ready? Are we ready? So, all you have to do is, i-add lang natin sila. X plus 110, 47 plus x plus 1, 110 is equal to 180. Iiwan natin si x dito, i-transpose natin sila sa kabilang side. Okay, so let's transpose to the other side. That will be x is equal to 180 minus 1, 110 minus 47. So, i-minus natin yan. That will be 70 minus 47. What's the answer, guys? 70 minus 47, 23. X is equal to 23. Yes, thank you YMJ and planet emoji and Isabel. Okay, so the answer is letter C. C for Christ, guys. It always works. So the answer is letter C. Okay? The answer is letter C. Another C. It's always letter C, guys, for some reason. Is it always 180? Yes. So, when, again, remember, pag straight angle sila, so itong dalawa, 1 and 4, equal yan to 180. Pag magkatapat sila, equal din yan to 180. Bakit siya equal to 180? Remember, when you draw this line over here, and then we drag it over here, i-drag natin, same lang yan, diba? Dahil same sila, pag in-add mo itong 4, dito, magiging straight line siya. So, magiging straight line siya. Paano kung hindi magkatapat? Give me an example. What do you mean hindi magkatapat? Like, pick one of these. Pick which angles you mean. Which angles? Like, give me 1 and 7. Okay, let's see. 1 and 7. Delete. Where do I delete? 1 and 7. Ang 1 and 7, equal sila, guys. If equal sila, hindi natin alam yung total niya. Pero alam natin na equal siya. Okay? Hello, BB. So, we know na yung mga orange dyan, equal sila. Yung mga green, equal sila. Okay? Hanggang 10, we might end soon, guys. 1, 3, 5, 7 equal, yes. 1, 3, 5, 7 ay equal. 2, 4, 6, 8 ay equal. Pag hindi sila equal, equal to 180 sila. Okay? Okay, that's the new rule I'll give. Kapag hindi sila equal, isang orange and isang green, pag in-add mo, lagi siya equal to 180. Wow, that's a new rule. For example, 1 and 6. 1 and 6, pag in-add mo yan, equal siya to 180. You wanna see? So, ito yung 1. Ito si 1. Oopsies. Let's do it. Ito si 1, ito si 6. Equal ba yan to 180? Yes. So, bakit siya equal to 180? Let's draw this, and then we grab that. Dahil equal si 6 sa 2, so, supplementary din siya. Supplementary just means equal siya sa 180. Oh no, what happened? Grab. Why is it doing that? Here. So, there. Equal sila. Okay? So, dahil equal sila, when you add them up, it will be equal to 180. How do I get your brain? We have to just practice every day, guys. When we practice every day, Nico, what are you saying there? Anong sinasabi mo dyan, Nico? So amazing. What's amazing? Okay, yes. Do we get it, guys? I don't know what this angle thing is called, but yes. Okay, next question. Are we done? My brain's fried. Is your brain fried, guys? Okay, last na. Kasi iba na yung question dito. Let's do our last question. Exterior, interior, kinemerot. Yes, that's what it's called. 10 a.m. ka po end. 10 a.m. daw tayo mag-end. Are you ABM? I was STEM, guys. Kasi I came from a science high school. Lahat ng kaklase ko nag-STEM. So, I went to STEM. Kaya kala ko mag-engineering ako. Nung nag-apply ako management engineering, hindi pala siya engineering. Pero, buti na lang yun na din yung tinake ko. Recommend an iPad na good for studying. This is a Samsung tablet, so I do Samsung only. The perimeter of a regular heptagon with 2x is... Hala, basic lang to, guys. Anong sagot? So basic. Same na same. Nico, STEM ka din ba? Okay. A, is it A? The perimeter of a regular heptagon with 2x side. Side niya ay 2x, guys. Side. 14, yes. Bakit siya 14? Ay, sorry, guys. Wait. Bakit siya 14? Okay, because we know, heptagon, ilang sides ang heptagon, guys? Heptagon, from the word hepta. Kala ba talaga? Yes, it's 7 sides. What we know about the perimeter is yung measurement ng ikot. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to make 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, amazing. That's a 7. That's a heptagon. So, if one side is 2x, i-multiply mo lang siya by the number of sides. Okay? So, 2x times 7 is basically 14x. Okay? 14x. Bakit malabo siya for me? Anyway. So, the answer is letter C. Paano yung sa solving. Usual average in high school? What do you mean? My average in high school? I graduated with a general average of 98. But in grade 11, it was 96. And then, magawa ka ng vlog para napopos. Oh, I post this on YouTube. If you're new here, guys, pinopost ko lahat ng recordings ko sa YouTube. So, if hindi nyo naintindihan right now, pwede nyo siya i-replay. Pwede nyo siya i-replay, watch it again if that's hard for you right now. And then, yeah, so right now we have 12, 13 replays na so far. Mga 1.5 hours sila lahat or 2 hours yung iba. And then, yes, that's it. So, if you're new here, make sure to follow. Thank you, Earl Peter. So, we're teaching here for the UPCAT and to understand math more. Ulit po 14. 14 daw. Basically, ang tinatanong ay perimeter. When you say perimeter, it's kung yung measurement ng labas. So, for example, For example, this one. If this triangle is 2x yung side niya, lahat ng side niya, i-add mo lang yung 2x. 2x plus 2x plus 2x is 6x. So, same lang dito. Then, since 7 sides siya, that's 2x times 7. 2x times 7 is equal to 14x. Okay? Yes, 14x. Ako lang ba nalalabuan? It's so crazy. New follower, welcome to the live Frosty. We're actually at the end since natapos na natin ang first part ng JOM. Natapos na natin yung JOM Test A, first part. The next part is problem solving, which might be, I'm not sure if this is harder, but I feel like it will be harder kasi word problems na siya. Note-taking app, this is Samsung Notes. So, if you buy a Samsung tablet, kasama na siya sa notes, hindi nyo kailangan magbayad ng app. YouTube, okay, I'll show you my YouTube, guys. I'm not sure if we can show it, kasi usually, hindi siya pwede. Pero, ayan. This is my YouTube, Julia Menjola. Bawal siya ipakita. Ayan. Kasi, nababan siya sa TikTok live. Ayan siya, guys. Julia Menjola. Just, kita nyo ba? Basta search Julia Menjola. Lumalabas naman siya. Ayan. Julia Menjola. And then, sa Instagram din, guys. If you follow nyo ako sa Instagram, join my bulletin. Ang tawag dun? Channel. Join my channel. Kasi, doon nyo makikita yung announcements kung kailan tayo magla-live. So, not sure if I'll go live tomorrow. But yes. Doon nyo makikita yung announcements. Yes, tapos na, Chloe. You can leave na if you want. Just make sure to say goodbye. Wait, what's that sound? Why do I hear myself? Oh, here. Okay, anyway, that's it, guys. So, yes. Recess na, guys. It's lunchtime. It's dinner time. You can go back to doom scrolling. We're gonna continue JOM tomorrow in problem solving. I'll let you know if matutuloy ang live bukas, okay? I'll let you know if matutuloy ang live bukas by tomorrow. Yes, it's time to sleep if you guys have class. But yes, goodbye, Luxie. Thank you for the confetti, Alpha. You're back again from yesterday. Welcome back to the live. But yes, what else, guys? If you have any questions about UPCAT, you can ask Nico. Nico's still here. Nico is part of the UP Help Desk. You can follow him also if you want. Other than that, we're gonna continue this tomorrow, okay? We're gonna go live because you have 38 days left to study for the UPCAT. And then, i-update ko din yung annotate. Review lectures are like you. Are they not like this? That's the thing about review centers, guys. Like, they don't even teach. Some of the review lecturers are like, they don't even like their job, you know? So, why are you even teaching if you can't teach it well? Okay, so I'm gonna upload this to the drive para updated na yung review. Nico is here. Wait, Nico, you can pin yourself if you want them to, where they can message you. If you have any questions about yung UP Form 1 or Form 2, Nico can help you with that. Okay, I'm gonna share this to the update ko na to agad, guys. Yes, my link to, guys. You can go to my TikTok bulletin. Ayan. So, ito yung TikTok bulletin natin. Pasok lang kayo dyan. I put the link here. Nandyan yung link sa TikTok bulletin. Itong link pa rin gagamitin natin, okay? So, ayan yung TikTok bulletin ko. There are 2.3k members. Make sure to say goodbye if you're leaving. Also, that's it. That's it for today. So, yes, join. Make sure to follow. And then you can go. That's all for today, everybody. Asan yung TikTok bulletin? Ito. Yes. Here is the TikTok bulletin. Oblicon. I love Oblicon. Just use a good book for learning it. Who is this? Are you from ME? Or any management? Yes. Okay, bye guys. See you tomorrow. Bye na. Bye, James. Author, yung Danny Chan. Wait, here. I'll show you my book. I have an Oblicon book. Bye guys. You can join the TikTok bulletin. Try updating your TikTok. If not, you can join my IG channel. So, follow me on IG. Pwede yung IG channel. Wait, I have an Oblicon book here for you. Where's my Oblicon book? Basta civil, ano siya din. Bye, Nico. Nico, wag ka magpareto sa mga bata. Char. This is a Samsung Notes app. Bye, Rutherfordium. See you tomorrow. App is that Samsung Notes, guys. Samsung Notes. I still have to do my Duolingo today. Bye, Isa Lenore. You were here the whole day. The whole 2 hours. Bye. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna try to fix my, my live later. That's crazy. Okay, bye, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Nico. See you tomorrow. Bye, somebody. Bye to sinong expired sa ref.